Hi everyone and welcome back to page J Arise. I am Sotheany and today we are going to learn 4 words from lesson 22. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is birthday. Birthday we can spell B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. For example, what do you like to do on your birthday? Birthday. And the second word is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day we can spell V-A-L-E-T-I-N-E'(S)D-A-Y, Valentine's Day. For example, I like to give a little gift to my friends on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. And the fourth word is candle. Candle. Candle we can spell C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. For example, children love to blow a candle. Candle. And the last word is decorate. Decorate. Decorate we can spell D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E, decorate. For example, me and my friend help our teacher to decorate our classroom. Decorate. Okay, now we will repeat it again from the first word. Birthday. Birthday. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Candle. Candle. Decorate. Decorate. Thank you so much everyone for your time and attention, and please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. We will help you check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please don't forget to click the link that we drop it for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.